Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this ceiling fan for viewing purposes. It's a really nice one, which I think that is going to be really perfect to place it anywhere that you need it. In this case, I'll be installing it in here. It's a 40-inch fan blade ceiling fan. As you can see, it's like this design. We have in here the user manual with all important information about it, how to assemble it up and get it ready. It seems really simple, which I find quite nice. It comes with the remote control, the receiver, the batteries, and all the hardware that we're gonna need to do the wiring, which I think that it's really nice. We have in here a down rod. You get two down rods depending of the height of your ceiling, as you can see. Different sizes. I'll be using the smaller one, but let's see what else we have in here. We have the screws for the fan blades, level it out. This for the top part. And let's take this out. Okay, we have the canopy. Okay, this is the top part. In here we have the LED lights, which I think this is gonna be really nice. Right now I have installed a light bulb one, and I think that it's really tedious to have to change the light really quickly. But in this case, with these LED ones, I won't have to being worrying about it. And we have right here the model. Okay, as you can see, all the pieces comes really well protected with its bag, which I think that it's great. Seems really simple. And lastly, what I was expecting the most, right here, the fan blades. Okay, they have a really beautiful color, and it's all black, and I think that's gonna be really nice. This one is like brownish like, but I think this all black one will be really beautiful. Okay, these are the fan blades. As you can see, they have a really interesting design, and I think this is gonna be really good one day it's already installed. Okay, so let me take this one out and place this. Okay, and it's gonna be really useful, and it seems like a really simple installation that shouldn't take that much long, but well, let me get to it. I'll start by first taking out the old ceiling fan and start installing this one. And what I like about it is that it's really simple to assemble. The instructions are really clear, it doesn't take that much long, which I think that it's really great. And what I think that it's even nicer is that you got multiple mounting options. You can place it with the two different down rods depending on the height of your ceiling, or if you want it a little bit more closer to the ground. And you can even place it at slope ceilings, as it can be angled in a 50-degree angle, which I think that it's really nice. It can double as a practical ceiling fan and as a decoration piece because it's quite beautiful, and it has a nice modern design that can blend perfectly with any kind of decoration that you have around your house. The ceiling fan blades are crafted from a solid wood that will ensure a efficient and quiet air delivery. It even doesn't make any kind of sound, doesn't make any kind of beeping sound when we press the control. And talking about the control, we can control it with the remote that it comes included, or even with the wall switch control, which I think that it's really nice. And with the remote control, we can choose from the 6 different speeds, and it's even reversible. We can use it with a forward direction force, forcing the air down for summer, and in winter we can reverse the direction, so we gently draw the air up, which I think that it's really nice. Its memory function will restore the last speed that you have when you turn off your ceiling fan, and the light also has this memory function. So you can just select your desired color temperature, turn off the light, and wait just around 10 seconds, and when you turn it back on, it will stay at the previous setting. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed, and I think that it's really nice. You can change the color temperature really easily, and I like that you can set it up for up to 8 hours of continuous use and turn off automatically. You can set it up for a natural wind mode, or choose from the 6 different speed settings that it has, and I think that it's really nice. It's quite powerful and doesn't make that much sound when it's working, which I think that it's perfect. And I think that it's great that it comes with the remote control, because you can just have it around and select really quickly which speed you want without having to pull a chain or anything like that, which I think that it's really nice. I had an older one that I had to be pulling the strings, and I think that it's really more easily just with the remote control, and I have the option to change light depending on the mode that I want to set up or the time of day that I'll be in here, and I think that it's really nice. As you can see, it was really simple to install that, and it didn't take that much long, which I think that it's great. And overall, I really like it, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.